Hello, everyone. Dwayne Pennister, your dependable broker, here to introduce you to a service that assists people in improving their credit score and history. It's called UCES, United Credit Education Services. Has a credit score or history been the reason for denial while applying for a mortgage, car loan, personal or business loan, or securing an apartment? Or has your credit score, unbeknown to you, cost you a job opportunity? Or are your insurance rates higher than they should be because of your credit score or history? Any of those sound familiar? I don't suppose you know anyone with those concerns. If it's time for a change, click on the link on the page to view a 5-minute informational video. Afterwards, you can either enroll immediately at the site or call me with any questions, in which I can enroll you afterwards. Oh, by the way, I went through this program 10 years ago before starting B Penn Realty. So I'm not only an agent for the company, I'm also a past client. So spread the word, and I look forward to speaking to each of you soon. Be well.